Now, next let's learn how to calculate the mass of a molecule, okay, or you can say molecular mass. Okay, how to calculate the molecular mass of a molecule. Here we can take the example of glucose molecule whose formula is C6H12O6. Okay, this is the formula for the molecule. Okay, first of all we have to see the mass of each and every element present in it. Okay, the mass for carbon is 12. Okay, for hydrogen the mass is 1, oxygen mass is 16. Okay, so the mass of one atom of carbon is 12, the mass of one hydrogen atom is 1, and mass of one oxygen atom is 16. We have to calculate the mass of all the atoms present in one molecule of this glucose. This is what we call as molecular mass. Okay, so here we can see that the mass of one carbon atom is 12 and there are 6 carbon atoms, means 12 into 6 will give you the mass of all the carbon atoms present in this molecule. Then the mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 and there are 12 hydrogen atoms, means 1 into 12 will give you the mass of the hydrogen atoms present in the molecule. Similarly, the mass of single oxygen atom is 16 and there are 6 oxygen atom in it, then it means that it will be then it will be multiplied by 6. Okay, now here 12 6 is 72 plus 1 into 12 is 12 and plus 16 into 6 is 96. Okay, then we will add all of them. Okay, we will add this. Okay, and after adding it we will get, okay, now after adding it we will get 180 unit of the mass, means the mass of the one molecule of glucose will be of the value 108 unit. Okay, that is 108 unit. This is how we calculate the molecular mass. Let's take a simple example of CO2 also. Here you can see that there are carbon and oxygen atom present in this molecule. The mass of one carbon atom is 12, and the mass of one oxygen atom is 16. Now to calculate this we will do like this, that one carbon atom will have the mass 12 only. Okay, and here there are 2 oxygen atom, means 2 into 16 will give you the mass of all the oxygen atoms present in this carbon dioxide molecule. Now on simplifying it we will get 12 into 2 16s are 16 2s are 32. Okay, and after adding it we will get 44 unit. Okay, this is the mass for the carbon dioxide molecule. Okay, so this is how we calculate the molecular mass of a substance. First of all we see that what are the atoms, which are the atoms present in the molecule. First of all we write it down, then after that we write the atomic masses of all the elements, and then we add the mass of all the atoms present in that molecule. This is how we get the molecular mass for a molecule.